Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Arabian Dreams. Today I'm gonna make seafood pasta using fish. Let's first check out the ingredients. We need 1 large onion, 1 large tomato, 1 cup of grated carrot, 3 green chillies, 1 cup of cabbage, 2 fried fish cut into small pieces, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of lemon, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, that's completely optional, 400 grams of pasta, here I'm taking wheat pasta, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin and pepper powder, salt according to your taste. Let's get started. Take a pan on a medium flame, add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil, add the finely chopped onion and saute it well till it changes its color slightly. Add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it well till the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone. Now add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and mix it well. Then add chopped tomato and green chilli and give it a nice mix. Then add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and oyster sauce and mix it well. Using oyster sauce is completely optional. Then add about 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. Now add the fried fish pieces and give it a nice mix. Then add the cabbage and mix it well. Add salt according to your taste. Now add the grated carrots and give it a nice mix. Now I'm adding half teaspoon of vinegar. And then half teaspoon of pepper powder and cumin powder and mix it well. Now I'm gonna prepare pasta. Take another pot filled with water. Add a teaspoon of oil and salt to it. Once the water starts boiling, add the pastas into it and let it get cooked until it's done. Now the pasta is cooked well. Let's drain the water. Transfer the boiled pastas to the mixture and mix it well. Now cover the pan and leave it on a low flame for about 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, our seafood pasta is cooked well. Give it a quick mix before serving. Now our pasta is ready to be served. Hope you all like my recipe. Ingredients are given in the description box below. Do check it out. Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for getting more updates. Thank you all for watching.